So, hello, how are you? How are you? You doing all right? You okay? That's good. Well, welcome to today's video. And today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I did this past weekend. I hadn't shot any video or pictures. Well, not necessarily so, but I haven't done anything just fun, just going outside and just shooting and just experimenting and trying something different. So I decided to do this past Saturday, and it was raining all day. It was actually, I think it was raining most of the week. And mind you, I live in a very small town, and normally I tell myself, why don't you go to the big city like Atlanta or in Athens and try to shoot around there and just to get content. Not today, buddy. I didn't feel like driving that far just to spend an hour or 30 minutes just getting, whatever, and just walk around my neighborhood. Now, mind you, I've shot around this place a bunch of times, but today was just different. Due to the rain, it just, I don't know, I was just trying to find excuses not to do it. I picked up my camera and went outside, and I started shooting around my neighborhood. The overcast and everything outside just worked in such a great way that it created this moody vibe to the video and the pictures that I captured. So I went outside and I actually did that. Now I was actually just gonna record on my phone, but for some reason the audio would not play in my editing software. So I just had to, chop that up and put it all together with the pictures I took for you guys to watch. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Here's a little sneak peek. Well, not necessarily sneak peek, but here is a summary of what I did on Saturday. You guys enjoy. I think what I'm trying to get at in this video is just talk to you guys that feel the need to go into the big city just to make something. And I think I challenged myself to do that here. And I live in a town that has just one red light. Just one. I went ahead and went outside and created those images you guys just saw. And I had fun doing that. Like, I love street photography, and when I don't get to shoot in Atlanta or in Athens, just to capture that city vibe, I always feel like I am missing out and my pictures aren't good enough. Saturday was an experiment, and I'm going to continue to do that and just shooting wherever and whatever I can, capture around here. In reality, not everybody lives in a big city. So what is today's lesson? Today's lesson is you don't need to live in a big city to make dope shit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is for you, and also this is for me because it was fun. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.